Let's get ready to rumble!
Hey guys, my name is Takara One, or you can call me Teeks, and today I'm going to be showing you how to go from this thin hair to this thicker and fuller hair in seconds. So, let's get started. Let's go. As you guys can see, the top crown of my hair is a little less fuller than the bottom, especially in the back. My dad's hair actually thins out like this as well because our hair is a little more finer, which causes these gaps in spacing that makes it look like I'm balding basically. And I ain't got time to go out looking like no bald-headed scallywag, ain't got no hair in the back. Know what I'm saying? And I'm sure you don't either. So I have the perfect solution to fix that problem. I'm going to be using the UStarBeauty hair fiber spray, and this is actually their gift pack that they are currently having a Christmas sale on, where you can buy one and get the second one for 50% off. So you can cop one for yourself and maybe one for your dad or your grandpa. I know a lot of men would love this for their beards. And if you don't make the Christmas sale, they're also going to be having a New Year's sale that starts right after Christmas all the way up until January the 3rd. So don't worry. So in this set, you will receive one fibers bottle, one spray applicator, one hairline optimizer, and one fiber hold spray. They have 9 optional color choices available on their website, and I got mine in dark brown. And I love these products because the fibers are made of all natural plant extracts, which is very safe for my hair. So for step 1, I'm going to start off by taking my hair fibers and my spray applicator. I'm taking off the first cap, and as you can see, you're also able to use the bottle. It kind of reminds me of like a seasoning bottle, but I'm going to untwist that cap as well, and I'm going to use the applicator so that I have more control over the product. Before I actually pump these hair fibers into my hair, I just like to pump it a few times on my arm just to make sure that the color is correct. And as you guys can see, these fibers literally just look like little pieces of hair, and that's going to help it to blend into my scalp naturally.
Perfect.
Once that's on, for step 2, I'm starting by pumping the fibers to the back crown of my scalp first. I pump until my scalp is completely filled in. And I go ahead and pat those hair fibers down into my scalp. And what I notice is that it looks so freaking natural on my hair and way more fuller. And I must say, I was truly impressed. Like, honey, you need to go cop you some because I was shook. So now I'm just filling in the top of my hair as well. And again, patting it down. And with this product, you don't even have to worry about it sticking to your clothes or blocking up your pores because it's completely easy and convenient to clean. Now moving on to the edges, I'm going to be using my hairline optimizer so that I can distribute the product to my hairline evenly. I found that this product is great for when my edges thin out after a protective style like braids or locks. Also, if you wear wigs, you can spray this on the hairline just to get a more, natural look. You don't want to look like you're wearing a wig or a weave, you know what I'm saying? And lastly, for step 4, after I have applied my hair fibers everywhere where needed, I'm going to go ahead and spray each area with my fiber hold spray. This is going to keep everything I just applied nice and intact. You know what I'm saying? Gotta keep it intact. And the microfibers are going to stay firmly in place through whatever, through wind, through rain, through snow. Don't worry about it. They got you. UStarBeauty got you. And I got you. And that's it, you guys. This literally takes no more than 30 seconds to go from this to this. You can definitely see a difference in my hair. It's amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you decide to try out these products, make sure you drop a comment below letting me know your experience, and I will see you at the top.